How it is.
Sorry, I just surprised Brad. He was saying something smart, and I said, "I'm going to record this anyway. F you." So he's a little thrown.
No, I'm used to it. Brad said something smart. We can capture that. Useful later.
Well, you made a very brilliant I mean, because you work from this framework, so you please make your argument here.
So I showed this copy of this book, which is a reprint of the Malleus Maleficarum. And this is the Catholics' response in 1450 to feminine misbehavior.
Called witchcraft.
They called it witchcraft, and that's I'm sorry, that Malleus Maleficarum means hammer of the witches. And so that's the Catholics attempting to in their way, which was inflated, to
in the language of the day,
limit feminine misbehavior in the polity and the public spaces.
And so you were saying that something about the church failed to do something, or so.
Well, they
in other words, today the problem is we haven't done that today.
We're still there. We are approaching it, and now we have the language, logics, and grammars in order to properly contain it by legal methods. Their methods were militant and violent.
Mm-hmm.
And that was the best the church could do, or the people could do, given this misbehavior.
So were you suggesting that the church could have done the same today?
The church has yet to do it today. The problem is this: is the in my estimation, the Protestant Reformation was a masculine response to the feminine misbehavior of the church,
mm-hmm.
which was granting indulgences and taking
mm-hmm.
corruption.
Mm-hmm.
So here we are with it, which is the feminine misbehavior of the markets, which is monopoly capitalism and Marxism, oppressing the masculine.
Mm-hmm.
And it just needs a new reformation, is all it does.
I kind of like this idea. Can we okay, I'm gonna be ridiculous now. Can we redo the whole burning fire, light them on fire, burning thing? Can we do that kind of stuff?
Be symbolically represented.
Okay, we'd have to do it symbolically. All right, that's okay. All right, I just wanted to capture that little clip there, Brad, because I thought that was interesting, because it's actually I have to deal with the question of whether the corruption of the church is feminine, but it's certainly the feminine male taking advantage of the feminine capacity in the population. So it's more of the elites, the problem of the elites abusing the feminine structure. But at least our ancestors were more paternal about correcting this problem than we are.
Right.
And that seems like it's an interesting issue. All right, well, I'm going to stop this. Thank you for watching. This is Curt and Brad for the Natural Law Institute.